I'm Ronnie, and this is Flip Flop Nation. Okay, guys and gals, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, well, we buy and resell things on eBay, Poshmark. We try to buy them low, sell them high, make a profit. So let's see what sold this weekend. Okay, so we sold 13 items for $595. 8 of those items come from eBay. The other 5 was on Poshmark. Let's jump in and see what sold. Here we have a Christian Azure messenger tote bag. We had it listed for $16.99 and got full asking price. Our next item is a Cutco 18 slot knife block. We had it listed for $39.99 and took a best offer of $35. Here we have a pair of patent leather Dansko clogs. We had it listed for $34.99 and took a best offer of $27. Here we have a lot of Stephen King The Dark Tower series books. We had it listed for $49.99 and it sold for $45. Here we have a Dixon flannel plaid shirt. We had it listed for $49.99 and took a best offer of $40. Here we have a Erman Poppy's needlepoint kit. We had it listed for $149.99 and took a best offer of $115. Here we have a pair of Skechers shoes. We had it listed for $29.99 and took a best offer of $21. And the last item that sold on eBay this weekend was a Pelican 1510 flight carry-on case. We had it listed for $149.99 and received $149.99 full asking price. Now let's jump on over to Poshmark and see what sold. Our first item here is a pair of Lululemon gray leggings. We had them listed for $23 and took a best offer of $20. Our next item is a pair of Cult of Individuality jeans. We had these listed for $65 and took a best offer of $55. Our next item is a North Face button-up shirt. We had this listed for $20 and took a best offer of $15. The next item is a vintage Y2K Alice in Chains t-shirt. We had this listed for $35 and took a best offer of $30. And our last item is a pair of red Levi's 511 corduroy jeans. We had these listed for $35 and took a best offer of $15. So there you have it, 13 items that sold on eBay and Poshmark for $595. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this little short video on what sold on eBay and Poshmark this past weekend. If you do, please hit the thumbs up, share it out to your friends. If you have not already, subscribe to the channel. It won't cost you a thing. And of course, always hit the notification bell. That way you'll be notified of all future videos. And of course, until next time, well, we'll be seeing ya.